Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Shungite, the stone of clearing. And for those of you who have watched my videos before, welcome back. I hope you are subscribed if you like my videos. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to start incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, listening to its supportive qualities, and determining if it's a gemstone that you would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Shungite, then I'll link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and watch that one. Just to get a little bit more information on the supportive benefits. And also, if you have a piece of Shungite, then it is a good idea to pause the video and go get that and put that by your meditation space. But you do not have to have a piece of this stone to benefit from this guided meditation. You can picture kind of a matte textured black gemstone in your mind. And if any of the prompts that I bring up in this guided meditation really feel familiar to you, really stand out, then that's a sign that you should get some Shungite and work with it some more. So the only other thing that you'll need for this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you could stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we sit through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like physically to breathe right now. Is it open and expansive, or constricted or jittery? And then bring that attention to your physical body and notice if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. And checking in with your heart center to see what emotions you may be feeling right now. And then checking in with your mind space to see what its state is right now. Is it calm? Is it busy? And we are not trying to change anything or make it any certain way. You're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And moving that attention to those places on your body that touch the chair or the floor beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. You have this strong support and connection of the entire planet, and you have access to all of the earth's energy. So it will support and guide you during this meditation today. And then if you do have a piece of shungite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies and intentions of the gemstone today. And then take a moment to feel your gemstone, to note its weight in your hand, the feel of its surface. Maybe it's smooth, maybe it's rough. But take a minute to get to know your piece of shungite. And if you don't have a gemstone with you right now, then imagine a black crystal that is not shiny. And notice if anything feels different in your body, your heart, and your mind since you've picked up the shungite stone. And then imagine sitting on a giant boulder in front of a waterfall and feeling this energy that is both supportive and cleansing all at the same time. And sit with this image of shungite energy for a minute. Shungite is the stone of clearing. And as you hold or imagine the stone, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you live or work around a lot of electronics? Would you like to break out of negative thought cycles or moods? Do you wish to release deep-seated emotions or habits or baggage from the past? Are you currently under immense stress? Would you like to learn the lessons from your past experiences? Shungite is a stone that is extremely supportive for all of these life situations. And if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart, to your body, to your mind, and we'll sit with that for another minute or two while you hold the shungite stone. And notice if anything feels different about the way that you feel about the situation since you've been sitting with the gemstone. And then look and see if anything has changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started this guided meditation. It may take several meditations to notice change in the body, the situation, and that is normal. And then release the image of the Shungite energy and the situation you are sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit with Shungite and its energy and feel how you respond to it. And if you do feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the support of the Shungite stone in your life. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in our lives, by knowing what situations we want support with, which crystals and gemstones can help us, and by using them on a regular basis to help improve the way we navigate that situation in our life. So if you are new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post informational videos about the gemstone. And on Fridays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're interested in doing an in-depth study about how gemstones can really help you improve your life situation, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.